Hey, this is Jeanette from New Wave Knitting. Today we are going over how to work the Kitchener stitch, particularly when it comes to knitting puff down socks, as it creates a seamless toe finish. This tutorial is for my staple sock pattern, but it is the standard technique and you can totally use it with whatever pattern you're working for that calls for the Kitchener stitch. But if you're interested, you can get more details about my staple sock pattern and purchase it through the links in the description below. When you have your dedicated number of toe stitches remaining, adjust your stitches as needed to get an equal number of stitches on each needle. If you work your sock with DPNs, adjust as needed to have an equal number of stitches on just 2 needles. In case you're wondering, I'm using Hiya Flyers flexible needles, which are similar to DPNs but have some bend here in the middle. And I personally prefer these to double pointed needles. I have a link in the description if you'd like to check them out. Okay, so I have 20 stitches remaining on my needles. So that means I have 10 on the top needle and 10 on the bottom. In the pattern, it says that your working yarn should be on the needle in the front. However, I think that should be on the needle in the back. Here's how to work the Kitchener stitch. Step 1, cut your yarn at about the length of your forearm and thread it through a tapestry needle. Step 2, adjust or slide your stitches so that they are toward the ends of your needles. Step 3, insert the tapestry needle knitwise through the first stitch on the front needle. Take that stitch off the needle. Step 4, insert the tapestry needle purlwise through the next stitch on the front needle and leave that stitch on the needle. Step 5, insert your tapestry needle purlwise on the first stitch of the back needle and take that stitch off of the needle. Then step 6, insert your tapestry needle knitwise on the next stitch on the back needle and leave that stitch on the needle. Step 7 is repeating steps 3 through 6 until all of your stitches are off the needles. So let me show you steps 3 through 6 one more time. Insert your tapestry needle knitwise with the first stitch on the front needle and take that stitch off the needle. Then insert the needle purlwise through the next stitch on the front needle and leave that stitch on the needle. Then insert your tapestry needle purlwise through the first stitch of the back needle and take it off, and then insert your needle knitwise on the next stitch on the back needle and leave it on. And you can kind of get into a flow with this. You might even want to try chanting knit, purl, purl, knit. Knit, purl, purl, knit as you work through the steps. Once all of your stitches are off the needles, just pull your working yarn, your tail yarn through, and we will weave in this end as well as the other ends of your sock together in our next tutorial. I hope you found this tutorial helpful, and if you have any questions, please comment them below or send me an email at Jeanette@newwaveneknitting.com. Happy knitting!